What's going on, guys? John here. As you can see, I'm in the truck, and as you can possibly see, my boat's following me. Yeah, big things. So I finally put the outboard back on. Got to go pump some gear oil into the outboard and tighten up the hydraulics, and then I'm gonna go take it to the lake. And fingers crossed it works. Fingers crossed it doesn't fly apart. Anything's possible. So yeah, this was hopefully like one of the last things on the list to do. So far on the boat, I put a brand new motor in it. Put a brand new Jasper full roller Chevrolet 350 motor in it. New plugs, new thermostat, had the alternator rebuilt, carburetor rebuilt, new fuel pump, new fuel filter, 2 new batteries, new speakers, had the windows tinted, new wheels and tires on the trailer, fixed some wiring on the boat, fixed some wiring on the trailer. I put some hydro turf on it, put the wake tower on it. What else did we do? I redid the back leather piece. There's a piece of rotten wood back there, which, you know, boat's always wet. So fix that rotten wood. Oh, what else have we done? There's more. I know there's more. There's always more. New propeller, new hub assembly with the prop, straightened the prop shaft. Had a little bend and vibration to it. So we straightened it. New gimbal bearing, new sills, new exhaust bellows, new U-joints. There's a drive shaft that goes to the middle of the gimbal bearing, so new U-joints on there. There's 2 U-joints. Just some nitpick stuff. Hooked up hour meter, which is nice, you know, especially having a new motor. Want to kind of keep track of the hours and changing the oil and stuff like that. So yeah, done quite a bit. There's probably stuff I'm missing, I guarantee it, but worked on it quite a bit. Hopefully, knock on wood, hopefully this thing is mint now. Hopefully it won't have any more issues out of it. Like I said, I'm gonna go try it out today on the lake. You know, hopefully it doesn't break and then sink to the bottom of the lake and then have to call State Farm. Just kidding. Keep that off record, I never said that. But yep, so we'll pull up the video when we put the boat in the water and see what happens. Alright guys, see you soon. Alright guys, you just saw the video of it running, so that's always a positive. It's the first time it's been started in 3 weeks. The shaft with the U-joint that runs through the gimbal bearing rotates, it spins, even if the motor's just a neutral, which is why I wanted to do a startup before I actually got to the lake, to make sure it didn't fly out the side of the outboard and hit someone in the head or whatever. But nope, that worked fine. So as you can see, we're actually at the lake now. We're gonna back this thing up in the water and take it for a little test drive and see what happens. Stick around. All right, guys, we're out here. As you can see, we on the water. Boat's running. I made one little lap so far. This thing is so smooth, so quiet. Now, because the upper exhaust bellow wasn't on at all, so the exhaust wasn't coming out at the bottom of the motor like it was supposed to be. And then obviously the gimbal bearing was bad, as well as the U-joints. The U-joints were frozen up, so it was just vibrating. If you turned it all, it sounded like a rear end just absolutely roaring at you. But yeah, I made one little lap, and this thing's running good. Might make another little lap here on video, put you up behind the windshield so there's not too much air noise. Still might be pretty terrible, I don't know yet. This thing is so much quieter. It's like a Prius compared to what it was before. Probably about to get rained on, but you know, whatever. Shit happens. Get turned around here and head right towards the rain. Well, there you have it. Trimmed it up, ran it wide open, so I was quite a bit above cruising speed. Usually cruise around like 3,500, 4,000 RPMs. We is at 5,000 RPMs. Probably about 50, 52 mile an hour, somewhere in there. But I just want to make sure it's not going to fly apart. And if it did fly apart, I wanted to be holding the video camera when it did, because I would have laughed and then cried and then, I don't know, maybe just drown myself. But yeah, so boat, good. We need to test out the wake tower. All right, so we gotta try out the wake tower here. Don't make fun of me, I know I'm fat, okay? But I got a good personality. So we're gonna do a pull-up on the wake tower, which is a solid 240, maybe 250 pounds. Who knows, who's counting? Not me. And I'm gonna try to do a full dead hang one, because my friends will make fun of me if I don't, so. Well, I think the wake tower works. Well, there you have it, guys. Boat works, boat runs good. So that's pretty awesome. I do remember a few things that I was missing from the list earlier. Brand new power steering pump, brand new belts, and obviously we repainted the boat. So put a lot of time in the boat, a lot of effort into getting it to where it's at now. I've enjoyed it a lot. I mean, I take it out a lot and use it a lot. And honestly, I mean, the more you use something, the more it's going to break. So it's all right. Stuff breaks, then you fix it. No big deal. So hopefully keep getting to enjoy the boat. Now that I got the wake tower on, we do have a big tube and skis, kneeboard, wake skateboard, wakeboard. So we're going to be making some videos out on the lake. Maybe, you know, some stupid stuff like shotgunning beers on a wake skateboard or something. But yep, just stick around. You know, subscribe to the channel. I think we're at 57 subscribers. So trying to break 60 now. And then maybe if we can get to 100 soon, we'll do something a little wild. Who knows what, but we'll do something. We'll figure it out. But yep, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Yeah.